It is Thursday, April the 23rd. As you can see, I have changed and created a painting station for just an entire heap of wood that I have needed to sand and prime. And these are some shelves that I'll have in my workshop. The lighting isn't the best, but these are all 2x6s for the trim that I picked up over the last day and a half. Here's Frankie. He's working on these 4 panels that are the garage door. Let me get it from the other side. Here we go. The bottom 2 panels have each have 8 pretty good sized pieces of double pane glass, and this piece here, if you notice, is the bottom. The next piece up. That's and then of course the 2 top pieces, as I said, are the glass. The doors have been hung. The opening has been trimmed and Tyvek'd. If we notice, we've got just a little bit of soffit material here. I'm trying to put a piece of soffit or pieces of soffit up here. We've just gotten started. I need to create a hole here for the sprinkler guy, so I can't finish any of this work until my sprinkler guy comes in and finishes, well, gets started and finished. This is getting some of the soffit material up in the breezeway, and I'm back into, I guess this is the main walkway behind the garage, and I've gotten some of this soffit up as well. I am working on the detail work, how this gets hung up here. I've peeled some wood back. I've tried to flatten some spaces, but I still have a considerable amount of work in order to finish, in order to be ready to put some soffit in. I have sheathed this sliding glass door area so I can get some some soffit up top. Let's see what else. I moved the wall between the mechanical room, which is on the far side, and the mud room, which is on the near side. I pushed it back. I gave myself another 2 feet. Now if we look down here, from the left to the right, I've got my furnace and my solar water heater, then my standard water heater. Then I've got labels for just about everything. Labels all the way around to see if that part I can't get to. Solar, my water, my fire suppression. That's where this valve is down here. I have to figure out where I'm going to be putting my power management unit. Here's where my main panel should go. And then on the other side, I've got my irrigation controller, my home network and audio, security system, a blank. I'm not sure what's going to go there, but this is the same location for where my access cover is in what I call the pit. If I'm going to be putting solar batteries on a rack, that's where it'll go. I don't think there's enough room to hang it, but if there is, this could be the other location for the energy management. Then I need an HVAC control as well, and that's pretty much it. If we look up, we can actually see this is where Grant's Pass is. I moved the wall so that this wall is immediately below the framing that I will be doing up top. So we'll have a nice easy line for us to pull wire or pipe, etc. That's where we are. Oh, I might as well get the door color here so you can see it. One moment. There. That's something a little dark and contrasty. Kind of hard to see the color with the shade that we have. And yes, the backyard, look at all the overspray that's happening where I'm spraying with our high pressure sprayer. That's it for today.